All right, so a common question in the day trading space is, can I trade or should I trade on Robinhood? And so Robinhood, as we all know, is a free commission trading application on iOS and Android, and I guess on the web page as well, where you can buy and sell stocks for completely free commissions. Sounds great, right? It sounds great. I even got into Robinhood in 2020, and it was trading with Robinhood, but I did blow up that account. But it was definitely more so because I didn't have an actual strategy or a trader mindset rather than the application itself. I'd say if I did have a strategy, I potentially could have made money on Robinhood, but even still, with the strategy I trade, I cannot trade that on Robinhood. Robinhood is definitely designed for more of a slower pace sort of trader, more of a casual trader, or a long-term investor, which I am not either of those. And what we know about casual traders who don't take this seriously as an actual job, who don't treat this as a business, they will likely lose money. So if you're trading on Robinhood, there's a high likelihood chance that you're losing money unless you're a long-term investor or a swing trader. And even still, even when you're swing trading, you want to be able to draw out your levels. You want to be able to draw out your trend lines, your support, your resistance, and Robinhood just does not offer that. And also doesn't offer any level 2 data. Level 2 data doesn't offer any tape data, doesn't offer, it does offer if you have the gold, it does offer a little bit of the depth of market, but even still, it's just not enough. I'm finding that's just not enough. I even had the gold, subscription on Robinhood, and it just was not, it just was not detailed enough. It was not detailed enough. And then the way that I trade, since I'm such a fast trader, if you're like a day trader who trades like 20, 30, 50, 100 trades a day, just the execution time itself is just not going to be fast enough to make those trades. So it's really designed for a casual trader, maybe starting a small investment portfolio, and then looking to hold that long term. But if you're a day trader, if you're a serious day trader, you don't want to be using Robinhood. You want to be using apps, or applications like Thinkorswim, which is now owned by Charles Schwab. You got Webull, you got Guardian, you got Trade Zero, you got Interactive Brokers. You got Lightspeed. There's all these different types of brokers that can help you get the job done with the necessary tools. You have the necessary tools with these platforms to make you successful. And trading is you're already against the odds when you're trading. Most people do lose money. So why would you use platforms that don't give you the necessary tools to even be successful? So that's making the odds even more out of your favor. So would I recommend Robinhood to trade? No, absolutely not. Unless you're just looking to manage a long-term portfolio, then sure, Robinhood is great for that. But you really need a proper charting platform with depth of market, volume bars. You can do all these different types of studies on these, platforms. There's all these different studies that you can use to help you be successful in the market. And so you really need a platform like this if you're going to be a successful trader. So I would never trade. I'm never going to trade on Robinhood again unless it is just for managing a long-term portfolio. And yeah, if you're serious about trading, you're not going to be trading on Robinhood. You're definitely not going to be trading on Robinhood. So would I trade on Robinhood? Is a no. Should you trade on Robinhood? Well, that depends. Are you a serious day trader? Are you someone who's serious about learning this as a potential income source for the rest of your life? If you are, if you did answer yes to that question, you need to be getting off of Robinhood and getting onto a different platform, because Robinhood is just not going to do it. But if you're a long-term investor, swing trader, someone who likes to trade off news, not really so much into the technicals or the depth of market, then sure, Robinhood may be for you. But if you're a serious day trader, someone who, like me, trades lots and lots of times a day, you're definitely going to want to get off of Robinhood. So that's my opinion on that. Hope you guys got some value. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe on the way out if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.